Most rejected receipts on Fetch Rewards are caused by unreadable images, ineligible receipts, or missing purchase details, rather than a problem with your account. By the end of this, you'll know why receipts get rejected, how to improve your chances of a successful scan, and what to do if you think the rejection was a mistake. Start by checking the receipt itself. Fetch Rewards needs to read key information from the image. That includes the store name, purchase date, purchased items, and the total. If any of those sections are cut off, blurry, folded, or covered by your hand, the receipt may be rejected. Before scanning, place the receipt on a flat surface with good lighting. Avoid shadows, glare, or dark backgrounds that make the text harder to read. Hold your phone steady until the image is completely in focus. If the receipt is long, make sure every section is captured according to the app's scanning instructions. Next, check whether the receipt qualifies. Not every receipt is eligible for rewards. Submitting unsupported receipts or trying to scan the same receipt more than once can lead to rejection. If you've already uploaded the receipt from another account, it may also be considered ineligible. Another common issue is waiting too long before scanning. If your receipt falls outside the platform's accepted submission period, it may no longer qualify. Review the receipt requirements inside the app before assuming something is broken. If the receipt looks clear and meets every requirement, try scanning it again. Sometimes a second image taken under better lighting is enough for the system to recognize the information correctly. If the receipt continues to be rejected, review the rejection message carefully. The explanation often points to the specific reason the scan wasn't accepted. That helps you decide whether the receipt can be rescanned or whether support is needed. If you believe the rejection was incorrect, contact Fetch Rewards support. Include clear photos of the entire receipt and explain why you believe it qualifies. Providing complete information makes it easier for the support team to review your submission. Avoid editing, cropping, or digitally altering receipt images before uploading them. Changes to the original image can make verification more difficult. To sum it up, use a clear photo, capture every part of the receipt, confirm the receipt meets the eligibility rules, review the rejection reason, and contact support if you believe the receipt should have been accepted. Next, make it a habit to scan receipts as soon as possible after shopping while they're still flat, clean, and easy to read. If this guide helped, like the video, subscribe for more Fetch Rewards tips, and check out our other videos covering missing points, account issues, and app troubleshooting.